हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू लोनियाल क्लासेस। स्टूडेंट्स, आज हम इकोनॉमिक्स के चैप्टर 3 मनी एंड क्रेडिट के एमसीक्यू करेंगे। आज के इस वीडियो में टोटल 35 क्वेश्चंस हैं। ईच क्वेश्चन के 4 ऑप्शंस हैं और 4 ऑप्शन में से 1 ऑप्शन करेक्ट है। तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं आज का क्विज। Question 1. What was the ancient system to buy and sell goods? Option A. Monetary system. B. Credit system. C. Barter system. D. Exchange system. Right option is C. Barter system. Question 2. When both parties agree to sell and buy each other's commodities, it is known as Option A. Measure of value. B. Double coincidence of wants. C. Store of value. D. Credit. Right option is B. Double coincidence of wants. Question 3. Which one of the following is not a modern form of money? Option A. Demand deposit. B. Coins. C. Paper currency. D. Precious metals. Right option is D. Precious metals. Question 4. At present, which form of money is increasingly used apart from paper money? Option A. Commodity money. B. Metallic money. C. Plastic money. D. All of the above. Right option is C. Plastic money. Question 5. Who supervises the credit activities of lenders in the informal sector? Option A. Central Bank of India. B. Commercial banks. C. Reserve banks. D. None. Right option is D. None. Question 6. Which one of the following agencies issues currency notes on behalf of the Government of India? Option A. Reserve Bank of India. B. Ministry of India. C. State Bank of India. D. World Bank. Right option is A. Reserve Bank of India. Question 7. Modern forms of money include Option A. Gold coin. B. Paper notes. C. Silver coins. D. Leather coins. Right option is B. Paper notes. Question 8. Which agency is not included in informal loan sector or agency? Option A. Money lender. B. Trader. C. Bank. D. Relatives and friends. Right option is C. Bank. Question 9. Formal source of credit do not include Option A. Bank. B. Cooperatives. C. LIC. D. Traders. Right option is D. Traders. Question 10. Dash are accepted widely as means of payment. Option A. Demand deposit. B. Check. C. Gold and silver. D. Properties. Right option is B. Check. Question 11. A demand deposit is the dash A. Interest paid on a deposit. B. Amount you can take a loan. C. Facility to withdraw money at any time. D. Facility to open a bank account on demand. Right option is C. Facility to draw money at any time. Question 12. A person is said to be in a debt trap when Option A. They take credit from the informal sector. B. they cannot get loan from the formal sector. C. The loan amount is less than their requirement. D. The loan repayment amount exceeds from their income. Right option is D. The loan repayment amount exceeds from their income. Question 13. What does the bank do with the money deposited with them? Option A. Give loan to the people. B. Use it for the public works. C. Invest it further. D. Pay salaries to government employees. Right option is A. Give loan to the people. Question 14. What is the amount of money that commercial banks have to hold in cash as a percentage of the deposits to allow daily withdrawals by its account holders as per the directives of the Reserve Bank of India? Option A 15%, B 25%, C 50%, D 75%. Right option is A 15%. Question 15. What is the name given to the 15% amount of deposits that a commercial bank has to keep in cash for daily withdrawal? Option A. Deposit reserve ratio. B. Cash reserve ratio. C. Saving reserve ratio. D. Loan reserve ratio. Right option is B. Cash reserve ratio. Question 16. A bank gives loan to people on certain conditions which are known as option A. Condition of bank. B. Conditions of the government. C. Terms of credit. D. Term of RBI. Right option is C. Terms of credit. Question 17. Terms of credits are option A. Interest rate. B. Collateral. C. Documentation. D. All of the above. Right option is all of the above. Question 18. Which sector provides more credit? Option A. Formal sector. B. Informal sector. C. Primary sector. D. Secondary sector. Right option is formal sector. Question 19. The formal sector of credit in India is under the supervision of dash. Option A. State Bank of India. B. Reserve Bank of India. C. Allahabad Bank. D. National Bank of India. Right option is B. Reserve Bank of India. Question 20. What do you enter while writing out a check? Option A. Name of the account holder. B. Name of the country. C. Name of the locality. D. Authorized signature. Right option is D. Authorized signature. Question 21. Why do people prefers to take loans from the bank? Option A. For security. B. Lower rate of interest over the long term. C. No interest at all. D. Lower rate of interest over the short term. Right option is B. Lower rate of interest over the long term. Question 22. In SHG, most of the decisions regarding saving and loans activities are taken by option A. Bank. B. LIC. C. Government. D. Member of the group. Right option is D. Member of the group. Question 23. How many members mostly constitute a self-help group? Option A 15 to 20, B 20 to 25, C 100 to 150, D 2000 to 2500. Right option is A 15 to 20. Question 24. Who helps the borrowers to overcome the problem of lack of collateral? Option A state government, B money lenders, C self-help group, D cooperatives. Right option is C self-help group. Question 25. Which of the following is not an advantages of self-help group? Option A provide the loan timely, B reasonable interest, C a platform to discuss various issues, D does not help women to become a self-reliant. Right option is D does not help women to become self-reliant. Question 26. After saving regularly, a self-help group become eligible for a option A collateral, B share in bank, C bank loan, D membership in the bank. Right option is C bank loan. Question 27. Poor people do not go to bank for loans because the bank dash option A demand the collateral against the loan which they cannot provide, B bank is far from their villages, C entertain only the rich, D charges higher rate of interest. Right option is A demands the collateral against the loan which they cannot provide. Question 28. A loan given by a bank is also known as option A profit, B credit, C grant, D share. Right option is credit. Question 29. Which households take more loans from the formal sector? Option A poor households and rich households, B well-off households and households with few assets, C well-off households and rich households, D none of them. Right option is C well-off households and rich households. Question 30. Which one of the following is the main source of credit for the rich households? Option A informal, B formal, C both formal and informal, D none of them. Right option is B formal. Question 31. The founder of Grameen Bank of Bangladesh is option A Amartya Sen, B Muhammad Salim, C Muhammad Yunus, D none of them. Right option is C Muhammad Yunus. Question 32. What series of currency notes is now being used in India? Option A Jawaharlal Nehru series, B Mahatma Gandhi series, C Bharat Mata series, D RBI series. Right option is B Mahatma Gandhi series. Question 33. Which of the following is not true regarding the convenience of barter exchange? Option A lack of double coincidence of bonds, B absence of divisibility, C difficulty in storing wealth, D availability of money as a medium of exchange. Right option is D availability of money as a medium of exchange. Question 34. Landlord come under the dash sector of credit. Option A, formal, B, public, C, informal, D, private. Right option is C, informal. Question 35. What is the difference between interest on deposit and interest on loans? Option A, the rate of interest is 0 on both deposit and loans. B, the rate of interest is same on both deposit and loans. C, the rate of interest is more on deposit than loans. D, the rate of interest is more on loans than deposit. Right option is D. The rate of interest is more on loans than deposit. Thank you. Thank you so much.